Hey guys, I'm Bobby from Brightnex LED, and today I'm going to show you how to connect a 110 volt RGB strip light. First, you get the 4-pin. Insert the 4-pin into the strip light. Plug it into the transformer. For this RGB, you have two options of changing the colors. Option 1, you can use the remote control it comes with. Or option 2, you can use the app on your cell phone to change the colors. And that app is right here. Let me show you. Connect it. You go to Bluetooth, select it, and there you go. Using the app is much better because it gives you more options for colors. It also speeds it a little bit. You could turn the brightness down. This application also comes with a microphone, so if the application hears music, it will play to the music. It will turn on and off to the music. Also, it has its own music player where it has its own songs on your cell phone. That turned the lights on and off. This strip light is cuttable in every 36 inches. Comes in 165 feet. And we also have a couple accessories for it. We have a pigtail wire to make your connections easier. We also have a butt-to-butt connector. If you have any questions regarding this strip light, please visit our website at www.brightnexled.com.